Today I'm going to show you how you can use this $2 keypad module and this $9 programmable board to create a shortcuts pad for your computer. So the really cool thing about these is that you can set each of these keys to do something else. So whether it's like type a word, type a sentence, or have a specific shortcut like zoom in, zoom out, or volume up or volume down, this is really cool because you can add it beside your keyboard and improve your workflow. So this is kind of hard to explain in 3 minutes, so I'm going to go fast, but I'll probably also upload a YouTube video with a bunch more detail. So the first thing I did was I just soldered on headers to the Pro Micro. That way I can insert cables into it or insert it into a breadboard. So I'm just going to flip this over, and basically we're going to be inserting these wires which have holes on both ends and inserting one into the pin of the Arduino and one into a pin on the keypad. So you'll notice on the keypad that we have C4, C3, C2, C1, which stands for column 4, column 3, column 2, column 1, and then we also have 4 for rows. So in total we have 4 pins for columns and 4 pins for rows. So I just put together these wires that have sets of 4, that way I can have one for columns and one for rows. So I've connected the wires into the keypad and the Arduino, and now it's time to start programming. Then I found this GitHub repo. They use a different keypad module, but it's pretty straightforward. So what we're going to do is we're going to download this switcheroony.ino, or we're going to copy it, and we're just going to paste it into the Arduino IDE. So I've modified his code a little bit, but the most important thing that you want to look at is the row pins and the column pins. So basically on your keypad for row 1, we have it connected to black. And so this black wire is connected to pin number 6. So I made sure that my row 1 is pin number 6. And then row 2 is the yellow one. Yellow is connected to pin number 7. It's kind of hard to see. So then here, just made sure my row 2 was pin 7. So then row 3, I want to make sure that row 3 here is connected to whatever pin. So mine is 8, and then I'll look here and see that row 3 is 8. So just making sure that you either match up the wires here or you change the numbers in the code. Then the next thing is the button presses, or the macros. So in the code, we have all of these different cases that map to the different buttons on the keypad. So for example, case 6 will be this button here, which is the second row and the third column. So if we look here, second row, third column, when we want to program this button, this one is going to be case number 6. So we're going to go down here, and for case number 6, let's just say press B instead. So now we're going to plug our board in, and we are going to compile our code and then upload it to the board. So now you'll see that everything presses A, but that second row, third column presses B.